Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to do some springtime garden prep. Just got the brush hog set up on the WD Alice here. I'll show you what I got. I finally managed to fabric cobble something together here. I took a couple drive shafts, made one, and did a little bit of work on it and threw it together real quick. Come up with this thing. It's not the best, but it works. Because the way this 3-point is, it's aftermarket and it's kind of goofy. It don't quite line up like everything else, and everything's just a little bit short on shafts and everything. It seems like these arms are just a hair long on these brush hogs for some reason. I don't know why, but anyway, I got one together and it works. I've used it just on a little old patch after I got it together and tried it. And I will say one thing, this WD is a good tractor, but it's real light in the front end. So what I'm probably going to do, I'll probably put the drawbar back later and just use this with a pull type. But I also, video coming soon, I traded for something the other day, another tractor. So stay tuned for that. It's a pretty good little tractor. I think it'll make a real nice one. Just got to do some work on it. Like everything else I drag in, so that's nothing new. But money was right, price was right, it's decent. So I'll make a video of that tractor here pretty quick and get it up in a few days after this one. But what we're going to do today, like I said, this is working and going, and we're getting ready to do some cleanup out here at the garden. And give you a quick panoramic here. It's pretty nice, pretty big size. This is where we left off last year. I had some stuff go on about the time I got this going real good, and I couldn't maintain it. Some stuff last year, so hopefully this year I can stay with it all the way through. So it was just something beyond my control, and I couldn't come out here, so I'll just leave it at that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush hog all this, get this all clean. There's a row of trees. This used to be an old orchard, and I fenced it in. But I'm going to go right on the other side of that, and I'll set the camera up. Just do a quick time lapse of that, and I'll get it done. And then I'll move everything over there and then do this, little section right here and get this ready. So I am very excited. I am thrilled to death about the garden. I have been waiting to do this. I'm very ecstatic. Springtime, and hopefully I know I can do way better than last year. Like I said, I'm able to do it this time. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll get started. And this is kind of a briefing too, to let everybody know. Stay tuned for the garden videos, so we got a lot coming up. And that I got this going. I'm very excited, but something's gonna have to be done. That old tractor, it's good, but it's awful light in the front end. Plus that's heavy, so that's kind of a double combo there, but it works, so we're gonna use it. And I'll get set up and we'll take off, and I'll come back after we get done on that side, and then I'll probably do this off camera and just move everything over and get it ready. And I'm a little giddy. I'm happy and ready to garden, so I'll set the camera up and make you a quick video out of this. So hope you enjoy. Ta-da! Done. Halfway done. Don't that look just so much better? Awesome, 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 awesome. I'm happy. I'm gonna head right against the fence. There's some hydrants through there, and I gotta get on the back side. I'm gonna hit them off camera, and then get all this stuff moved over this way, and then clean all that up. All my containers and whatnot and all that stuff. So we'll get that over here. Then, like I said, I'll get that cleaned up and clean up beside that, and we should be able, hopefully, I'm gonna give it a little bit of time, make sure we're through the last frost, and probably start some gardening. I am, get out of the sun here, I am super excited. I've just been all antsy and giddy about this. I'm ready, so stay tuned. I have a lot of really neat ideas for the container gardens and some stuff I want to build and try, and I think everybody's gonna like that does gardens. Be pretty neat, so stay tuned for all that. And I guess that's it for this video. One last look. So quite proud of it, but like I said, I'll get that off and the other side off camera. But sure nice. Old tractor doing pretty good. And I want to get, I'm probably going to put a pull type on this. Old front end's just light on this WD, but it's a good old tractor. It does get the job done. I've got hillsides, and you kind of, front end kind of bounces with you, and it's kind of, makes your butt bite to see a little bit. But I've got 2 or 3 real good pull types, so I'll probably end up setting that up on this later, and maybe, I don't know, with that one, but we'll be able to brush out and clean the place up. More videos to come. And I also want to get back on, get kind of caught up back on the Predator tractors, because if I can do this with a Predator, that's a whole lot less money out of my pocket, and I think that's what most of you waiting on anyway. I haven't stopped messing with them. I just, big farm, got a lot of stuff to do, so we'll get back to them. And I guess that's it for this video. Just kind of an update and let you know we're getting ready garden. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for some more tractor stuff, farm stuff. Spring's here, great, wonderful. I'm sick of winter, so stay tuned. So as always, like and subscribe and hit the bell, and you'll get notified of all the upcoming whatnots, projects, and farm stuff. And that'll be the end of this video. So as always, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.